What if protecting your family's future was simpler and more affordable than you think? The surprising truth about True Stage Life Insurance is that many people overlook it because they assume it is complicated. Most people get this wrong, but here's why True Stage stands out. True Stage is a life insurance provider known for offering straightforward policies with no medical exams for many plans. It is backed by a major financial company and has served millions of customers across the United States. The application process is quick. You answer a few health questions, choose your coverage amount, and receive a decision in minutes. There are two main options: term life insurance for temporary needs and whole life insurance for lifelong protection. One of the biggest benefits is fixed premiums. Your monthly cost does not increase as you age. This helps families plan long-term budgets without surprises. Coverage amounts vary, but many policies start small and scale up depending on your needs. For example, young parents often choose term policies to cover mortgages and children's expenses, while retirees may select whole life plans for final expenses. Customer experience is generally positive, with easy online account access and simple claim support. However, premiums may be higher than some competitors, especially for older applicants. The surprising truth is that True Stage works best for people who value simplicity over customization. You may not get every advanced feature, but you get peace of mind. In conclusion, True Stage offers a solid, easy-use life insurance option for families who want quick coverage without stress. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews.